Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. This is April 2025 Patreon Part 1, and this is April Fool's Day. So far, it is the morning of Tuesday, early morning, so we should see some lot of cool April Fool's joke miniature that's supposed to be coming out hopefully today. I don't really know, but we'll let you know if you see any so far. Well, anyhow, we'll be looking at D&D minis, Warhammer proxies, figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon and Discord. And all the links that we'll be looking at will be down below for you as well. So let's get started. Heroes Infinite by Raging Heroes. This is basically like Warhammer 40k proxies and other use for D&D as well. So we have different variation of the skinks. Was it Zerks? I forgot those. The one, the Chaos Gods. The Chaos Gods of Change. So it has a lot of that in it. And it looks like the other one is Bertoli's as well. But it looks pretty cool. You have to give Chaos Cultist as well. Dark Lord's Ever Shifting Sands. I might get some. You might get some stuff for the Kings, the Tomb Kings minis as well. But they are really cool, grotesque looking. For Zinch's army. I need some of the stuff for Crusades. I do like that. I want to make that into my Slaanesh one proxy as well. So we got a lot of cool stuff. 3 legs. One of the Chaos Beasts. One of Zinch's demons. Monsters. They got those mana ray looking things. Troops. Dead of the Falcon. Unworldly Sentinel. Sunfire. Midoriadon. An amazing centerpiece. So big ass freaking demonic elephant that they're riding on. I do want to print that as well. It looks really cool. The Ivory Titan. But it looks pretty damn cool. Good, I would say. Hero Infinite never disappoint. They have some very nice sculpts overall. Additional Word Sentinel over it. We got more of those to horrors. And you have a big centerpiece for this one as well. The Living Sigil. Don Sanel. I do like that one. I might print that one as well. We have modular ones. I think that will be it. See a lot of good stuff that's coming up as well. That'll be it. Arch Villain Games. Good for D&D and Warhammer Proxy as well. We'll be looking at. This is the fantasy one. This looks like the one from Elden Ring. That werewolf guy. And this looks like Mechanicus proxy right here. Atomic Core Bishop. So Lycan Arch, Atomic Core Bishops. Let's see here. Moondan Shadow of Gratos. Lycan Predator. Oh, look at that little horror fey holding a discombobulated body as well. That looks kind of cool. Conclave, the Core Fortress. Moondance Shadow of Aractus. Moon Shadow Dance. Let me see if this is. Oh, this is March. I'm sorry. This is April. So yeah, it looks like you have a Titan. A big ass, heavy looking Titan with. I don't like it. The legs are just too damn skinny. If it's gonna have overgrown body for a hunk of heavy weight, you need these two little pegs are going to support it. I would actually kit bash this and make this thing twice as big, in my opinion. But that's really up to you guys. That one you could probably kit bash into an orc version of this, because you have this other things and you just got mask a lot of stuff on top of it. It looks pretty badly beaten too. Let's go with the big ass Gatling gun. That'll do a lot of damage. That one too. Wow. So I think the fantasy one's nothing but mechs. This is that's sci-fi. This is fantasy. This looks like the Children of Null, Tongue of Null. Oh, that looks kind of grotesque looking. All that body and stuff fusing throughout the body for it. They got some. Looks like a demon. Protean horror. Flame of Atonement. So there's an angel. The Grave Binder. So I think it's like a cleric or a necromancer. Deathless Knight. Gravebound. Doomwalker. Doomwalker 2, 3, and 4. I like the battering ram version of it. I think these are supposed to be giants. Prophetess 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Wailing Omen. It's pretty grim dark, and I do like grim dark stuff as well. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. If you guys want me to print some of these stuff, let me know. It's been a while I printed Archvillain games. Clay Cyanide Miniatures. I don't know if they have stuff for April out yet. I know March was more Asgard stuff for it. So just giving you guys a heads up. Usually they don't send stuff to the end of the month. I don't know if we're getting White Dragons on April 8th. You get more stuff like they did with the Green Dragon. Like this one, you get like the big statue from young to ancient, dice tower, cup holders, stuff like that, and rings. So it'll be the same thing for the White Dragons as well. Printed Obsession, that is March. I don't know if they have anything for April yet. We might have to come back to that when they have more stuff. Beastarium. I don't know if they have stuff for April. Yep, April was already out for Beastarium. This is like Elden Ring or Dark Souls style, grim dark. Grub Lord Vermaxian. Grub Mage. Demon Grubs. This I might actually print for my game for D&D. Blood Altar. Yeah, this is actually pretty damn good. Because I am trying to make it more like Dark Souls or Elden Ring styles in my D&D campaign. Right now, we are going to do a lot more stuff for it. Twin Goddess Miniatures. Let's see, we got Sneak Peek April. We got an Elf Sword Maiden. And another Elf Swordman. Let's see here. We got Goblin. I think it's supposed to be Goblin Ranger. Magma Girl. I might have to get more red resin then to print that stuff. Flame. I don't know what that's supposed to be. A centaur? I won't know until they add more color to it. But they're really cool too. I do print a lot of these guys for my little games as well. This probably the last one is probably take the longest. Epic. Let's see what they have for April. We have a Monster Frenzy 2-headed dragon. We have a chimera with a walrus, a badger, and a dragon's head. That is thinking. Archaic Classic. I do need a different variation of Archaic. These guys are really good to have, especially in beginning D&D stuff, especially when you go on the farm and there's a big hole and you guys go in and take care of that. Storm Giantess. Ambush Drake. Orc Butcher. Actually pretty cool. Baby Hydra. I probably didn't get that. Blue Spawn Dragon. That's from the 3.5 book, Monster Manual 5. I do need to rebuy that too. Hellfire Elemental. Rage Goblin. But they don't look like they're raging at all. Dark mantle. These guys I hate, especially in caves or under dark. They will literally try to cover your whole body with them. Mean lock. That's actually pretty cool. They do a lot of old school D&D stuff from the old books. Cursed Traveler. Silent Shield Hill Giant. That's a freaking old D&D book from 3.5 that I remember. Unicorn Folk Warrior. Two-headed dragons. There's a Dice Tower Kickstarter they're doing right now. This is the April 1st one. This one, Deep Sea Mysteries. Sapphire Dragon. Deep Sea Eel. Sea Serpent Monster. So they're doing a water campaign. That's probably good. Sea Folk, a Monarch. Classic Mermaid. Making bigger. Bigger boobies. Dolphins. Hermit Crab Guard. Fish Folk Vanguard. Marlin Swordfish. Fish Folk Warrior. Let's see, Angler Drake. That's actually pretty cool looking. Kind of look dumb too. Giant Octopus. A lot of stuff I don't really have on my file. That's actually probably add into it. Deep Maid. Seahorse Drake. There's Deep Sea Lizard. That's kind of cool looking with his teeth. Roller Dragon Avatar. And Seawater Scatter. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.